Hello everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover, and in this new video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to recreate these Astro Crazy Sexy Cool nails. So let's get started with base coat. Go ahead and apply base coat to all 5 of your fingernails. After base coat is dry, then apply a deep shimmery indigo and a medium plum color in a diagonal fashion on the index nail, black on the middle and ring nails, a sheer yellowy nude to the pinky nail, and a light gray on the thumb. For part of the index nail, go ahead and do a galaxy pattern on the top by blobbing on some white and purple with a small sponge. For the second half of this nail, use white, green, black, and a vibrant red shade to create stripes in this plaid pattern. Add yellow highlights to the galaxy pattern at the top half of the nail, and then apply a hollow top coat to finish it off. On the middle nail, start by drawing out a rough outline of a lip shape using white polish towards the bottom part of the nail. Fill that in with white polish as well. And once that is dry, go ahead and color in that shape with a bright red color. Then use a darker red color to draw a horizontal line down the middle. Afterwards, write the words "Kiss Me" on the top lip. On the ring nail, place striping tape diagonally. Split up the nail into 8 equal sections and write the word "security" on it in the allocated slots using white polish. Once done writing security, remove striping tape and fill in the white letters with yellow polish. Use black polish to fix the edges and the shape of the letters. On the pinky nail, start by drawing a thick V shape with a bright red polish, then following that out with a dark teal shade, and then drawing lines down from there, leaving 2 trapezoid shapes on either side. Then use brown and taupe colors to draw some stripes, and then put some dots. That's going to be the jacket, and then we're going to add some details with dark red for the tie. For the thumbnail, start with mint polish and draw a trapezoid shape in the top right corner of the nail. Then draw a rhombus in the middle using white polish. Then another trapezoid looking shape using a medium blue in the lower left corner. Then write the group name ASTRO using white polish. This is based off of their album cover but without the chairs in the middle. Once you're done with the lettering, then fill it in with yellow polish. Then you are done with this design, and all you have to do is apply top coat. A generous amount to all of your nails will prevent smudging. So that was my Astro Crazy Sexy Cool Music video inspired nail art tutorial. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to subscribe to Lacquer Lover, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone!